Hi, this is Architect Sankar and today I am going to discuss about the preliminary phase of the house designed in Chennai, India. So basically the client was a very young guy and was working in the US and was very excited to work with us, and so do we. Client was a very modern guy and he wanted to have his dream house more modern and contemporary, and he wanted to have unique sense of style. So his first initial brief was he wanted to have glass facade in his house. Site was primarily a rectangular site with south facing land. So we have road on the southern side, and looking at the site context, as we see that the sun directs from east to the west and having the wind direction from southwest and northeast. Since the weather of Chennai is very hot and humid climate throughout the year, and having the south facing plot, the main challenging aspect of this design was to have big glasses on the southern side as per the client requirements. So despite of having big glasses on the southern side and taking aspects of the weather of Chennai, necessary steps were taken in design consideration. Firstly, we thought to give the huge pergola on the southern side. This large pergola on the main facade not only beautifies the building as a unique standing building, but also gives shades to the walls and the glasses of the house. When the sun rays falls upon the house in the daytime, a beautiful shade and a sciography exist in the inner walls of the spaces and the rooms of the house. In the city like Chennai, providing the big glasses was again a challenging aspect. As we know that the glass traps the heat inside the building, resulting more heat inside the building. So we designed a solution to give veranda spaces on each floor with a beautiful vegetation and the landscape in the veranda, resulting it which shelters it from the direct glare of and reducing the heat gain in the building. So as we are planning to give the veranda spaces on each floor and providing the vegetation in the veranda spaces, when the sun falls, it is absorbed firstly by the vegetation and the veranda spaces and the indirect heat gain in the building. To this, it blocks the direct sunlight inside the building and it reduces the heat gain, and as a result it automatically results in reducing the air conditioning cost. So this approach was initiated in the preliminary phase of the design. Architecture is not only providing the beauty or skin to the outer building, but is an amalgamation of the space and function in context with the site requirements, climate and soul of the living in that space. Every space should be functional and contextual.